morning again. I am getting ready to take my hair down for my braiding and banding. And I just wanted you to be able to see what it looks like when I take it down. What the results are. Is it going to be stretched or what? I don't know. I'm going to take it down real quick like. Yep. Take these off. Don't want to have to hold you too long just to see that, because I'm not going to go through the braiding banding process with you. I'm just going to take this down and then I'm going to braid and band my hair, because you know I'm excited about tomorrow getting my hair retightened. Ooh, when this water goes through this hair, it's going to be so good. It is going to be so good. And that's it. That's what it looks like. I have shampooed my hair and out of the shower. I wanted you to see that I did braid and band. I just feel like there's some security in braiding and banding. So I have 5. I felt so much better with my hair being braided and shampooing it while it was braided and banded. I'm going to now sit on my porch for a while and just let it air dry. And when I see you the next time, I will probably be on my way to get my hair retightened. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I am doing great. Getting ready to go get my hair retightened. Thank you. I've noticed that I have a few new subscribers, and I'm saying thank you. And thank you to my subscribers that have been hanging in there with me for the long haul. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on, join the family. Click that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you will know when I upload a video. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My hair is done. Do y'all see this little look right here? Yeah, a lot of people tell me I have this ombre effect in my hair. And I realize I like it. I have finished the retightening. I'm just getting out from my retightening. It took 2 hours. I will have you know that as I was driving up into the parking lot and I put my car in park, I got a call from Kim. And she said, Miss Sylvia, did you forget you have an appointment today? And I said, no, I'm right in the parking lot now. It was at 10:27. You guys, I thought my appointment was at 10:30. It was at 10 o'clock. They were so gracious to me. One of the things she said was that she had already texted me, but of course I didn't get it because I was driving. She had called a few minutes before because she was checking on me. So, because it was unlike me to be late for my appointment. I've never missed an appointment. I'm usually a few minutes before the time. It's so wonderful when people, they get to know you and know that what we are experiencing right now is so unlike her. So Flo and Kim said to me, you know, we didn't have anybody coming in, and Flo had a later appointment. Said they would have gotten on the interstate and looked for me if I didn't show up. And if they couldn't contact me. I appreciate them so much. And I thank them for caring about me. But yes, my hair is done, and you guys, it feels so good. So good. In the next clip, you will see that Kim is actually going through my hair, and I'm just going to show you my hair and the pictures and the short video that she took of my hair. This feels so good. I don't know why she had to stop. Probably because I came late.
I can't do this all day. My arms probably won't last.
But she makes me feel like I'm special. Then she stops with this.
Yeah, you always got the end.
I feel so lovely. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God, because He's blessed me with some wonderful people in my life. I can't even tell it all. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.